What would you like for lunch, Baba?
I have to think about it.
Oh, you have to think about it?
I don't know.
Mama!
Yeah.
Dada!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye to Daddy. Bye-bye. Ayaw niyang paalisin ng tatay niya. Hey, wala she's saying bye to me.
Oh, kata Mama?
Come to Mama. See? See? Hello, they're watching. Oh, they're like, oh, let Daddy go to work. Hello, you're waking up everyone, huh? You're waking up everyone, huh? Bah. Bah. Say bye-bye na lang, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy's going to work now. Yeah, yes. Have a look. Oh, we're boiling some eggs for breakfast. Some eggs for breakfast. Look. Should we cook now? Napakainit. Napakainit ng panahon. We are sweating inside the house. Did you find it? Oh, try to go.
Yeah, Daddy ka.
Kiss Daddy?
Kiss. Mama.
Give Daddy a mama.
Love you.
Mama. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Daddy has to go to work. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye naman. Bye-bye na naman. Bye-bye. Daddy will come home later. Say bye-bye, Daddy. Take care. I love you. There you go. Good job. See? Yeah? Look. Ayush! Wala pa ilabos ng bata. It's still early in the morning and the sun is up. Hi. It's in the right lang. It's in the right lang. Ate Paris is still sleeping, pati ang kanyang lola. Yan. Sweating girl. Let's say in. Say in, say in. They're shopping. Ayan, ang mami ni Daddy Mark bibili ng sapatos. Dito kami sa Kmart. Hi! Ate Paris! Don't leave Selena. Not really, sweetie. Because we don't need it. Do we? I'll just pass, Mom. Where's Selene? Hi, come here, sweetheart. This way. This way. Oh, sleepy na to siya. Oh, pero, ay, nakalabas man. Ayaw mo po sa kanyang pram. Paris, you have to stay with Lola. Come here.
Oh, gorgeous.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Which one would you like, Selene?
Okay, white and black. There we go.
There you go, sorted. This is nice. How about brown, Mom?
Sorry?
How about brown?
Yeah.
Come here. Where's Ate Paris? You look so big in the pram now. You're bigger than the pram. Christmas lights. Christmas lights. I know. Batteries. Mm.
I think I need batteries for my toy.
Which one?
The bug. Remember when I catch a bug with the net? So what have we got from here?
Really? Yeah, we didn't check if it's double A or triple A. We don't want to waste money, eh? We need to make sure if it's a little one or the bigger one. Adele! We'll go grab some. We should get Christmas outfits now for Christmas. I'll go have a look. Oh, may nakuha na yung isa, oh. Ayan. Bilang ko si Ate Paris ng pang day lang niya na white shoes for school. Katulad dyan, okay, baby Celine. Come here, we'll have a look for undies. I was thinking about getting these. Ayan, pang ano ba? Christmas night. Ay ano, sa Noche Buena. Yan yung suotin.
Oh my guys! I came out and my just gaming that actually we must always happening! And actually it's very fun here. That very I like it. Yeah, I really like it.
Show this one, Sarah.
So actually, look at all the stuff we just bought. This is actually so fun. Might say hi. Her face was all funny. I do it again. Do it again. Might say hello.
Hello?
Hello. Is it me you're looking for? Actually, there's that.
Oh, we have to book, Manak. You can't just take a photo with him. You have to book. Santa is here. You have to book online before you can take photo with him. But we're gonna get one in the shopping center. You know the one, the big one? Come on, let's go. We'll go see Lola Karen now.
Is that only for Christmas?
Yeah.
Huh?
We're at Gloria Jeans, Coffees.
Hey,
Oh, this
open
Ate
your
Paris.
mind.
What do you say? Ang lola nila ay pumunta sa Coles. Ayan, nabibili. Ano siguro? Grocery. Babysitin natin na nakatulog na yan. Tingnan niyo, may drawing pa sa aking kamay. So nag-swatch ako
I
ng
forgot the star.
eyebrow pencil doon sa chemistry.
I forgot the star.
Did they?
That's okay. That's okay.
That's okay.
Still good. I don't think they know how to make stars on a cookie.
Okay. Yummy? I'm just waiting for my iced chocolate. And then I think we're gonna go home from here. What would you like for lunch, Baba?
I have to think about it.
Oh, you have to think about it?
I don't know.
You don't know at the moment? Okay. I'll give you time to think about it. Okay. Patignan nyo guys. Oh, tangkad-tangkad yung babae nyo eh. Maybe we can make ham and cheese toasty for lunch. go.
cheese croissant.
Yeah. Maybe we should go follow Lola at Cold Snack. We'll get some fruit. We need fruit.
A few moments later.
Bawi na kami from the shop. People. What is that, Ling? Gagawan ko lang ng lunch ang ating mga kiddos. Look! Who gave you this? Lola Karen! Siya, dito. Hello, everyone. Binili ng kanyang Lola Karen. Oh, Incy-Wincy Spider. Ito siyang muta, Incy-Wincy Spider. Mommy's gonna make a toasty, okay?
Mine,
Yes, my love.
you just do the same thing.
Anak, don't cover your body with tattoo, ha?
And I'm just putting one more.
Actually, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga napamili namin. So, this is what we bought from Kmart.
Mine, this is so cool.
Kita nyo to kanina. Ayan, just white. Plain white shoes for Paris.
I even know what to do.
Yeah, now you're very smart.
It's looking good. It's just putting off.
And then, oh, we got your, ayan, binili natin Paris
I
crown.
did it.
Here you go. You wanna put it on? Give me the knife.
You can color them too.
It's super hot outside, guys.
I
So,
can
very
color-
happy na nakauwi na
I
kami.
can color a tattoo
May
too.
ginawa dito sa loob ng
I can
bahay.
color a tattoo.
Can you?
Yeah,
Yeah. Use that one.
that's why I belong to.
And then, what else did we get? I've got this one for Ate Paris, 5-pack. There. And then, this one, you'll find it really cute. So, di ba, sa Pasko, doon kami sa bahay ng tito ko. Doon kami mag-overnight. So, bumili kami ng pangtulog, like, yung susuotin namin para sa Pasko. So, this is for Paris. It says mini. This is for, ayan, Daddy Mike. May shorts din siya. This says Daddy, ayan, sa front. And then, kay Mommy, wala silang size 8 doon. Only size 10. So, I'll just make this work. Ayan, may, Mommy dyan sa harapan. May shorts din siya. Very comfy and cute. And then, kay Baby Celine, kasi wala silang pang baby doon na katulad niyan. Just got this one. Ayan. O, diba? 1C. Tapos, may pa-beanie pang nalalaman. Beanie ba yan? Hat. Cute!
Did I buy keyboard?
Yes, this is
You're
cute.
allowed to color them.
Yeah. And then, we went to the chemist warehouse kasi bumili ako ng yung para sa mouth ulcer ko dito. Kasi hindi talaga, it's been like 5 days now. Ito yung binigay sa akin ng pharmacist. Ayan yung pangalan. SM33 gel. A soothing antiseptic gel for the treatment of inflamed gums or mouth tissue. Nilagay ko na siya at sobrang hapdos ba? Ang tagal ng hapdos? Nilagay ko. At first, but now, hindi na. Ayan, toothpaste for the little ones. Ayan, bandages for the Paris. Abo, Aveeno Baby Daily Moisture Washing Shampoo. I also got, ayan, new toothbrush. And refresh contacts. Eye drops para... Yes, enough.
How much sleep are you seeing the contents again?
2 sleeps. Oh, wow. And then
So
I bought...
first day and the other day?
Yes. Tonight and tomorrow night. And eyebrow pencil. Yay! Did you do dong-dong na? Did you dong-dong? Huh? Ngayon, ilalagay ko lang to sa ano. Hala, lala. Oh, gosh! Here, we're gonna make toasty. Ham and cheese toasty. Yan. Huh. You gonna make it help Mama? Help Mama?
Look at my seahorse.
Bili ako ng
This
bagong
is gorgeous. Look
fresh
at this.
bread. Gorgeous, yes, I love it. It's gorgeous.
Look
Look at the ham! Oh no! Oh no! Oh shush! That's why. Makatapos ko lang gumawa ng ham and cheese toasty para sa mga kiddos. Ayan. So while waiting, gagawa ako ay iinitin ko yung aking saging. Yun yung kakainin ko. Pwede natin itapon eh. Ayan. Done. Ito yung aking saba. Golden saba.
Mama,
Yes, ma'am?
look at my tattoo.
Hmm? Wow! What's that? Is that a Christmas tree?
Yeah, I dropped that.
Cute! Don't! Na! Don't leave Celine na! So, mag-ano ako. Frozen kasi ito, parang bato. Ano na lang kung naiwan dito. Okay. I'm gonna make 4. And then, meron pa akong naiwan for the next day. Binili namin to sa Kmart kasi naka-sale lang siya ng $1. So, ito yung parang calendar ba na sa December, na pag December 1, i-open mo ito. Pag uwi dito sa bahay, hindi alam natin Paris. Pag ano niya, uwi niya dito, in-open niya lahat. In-open niya lahat. Meron pa na ko? So, yan yung laman. Nagkaswaso naman, Ibe. Let's see what's happening. Oh. And you're not gonna eat it all, okay? Mama will put them away.
Then,
Yes.
well, can I have one?
So we're gonna have our toasty first. And then you can have one after. Ay, meron pala tayo natanggap sa post. Open natin. Unbox pag may time. Nag-aso-aso gid siya, guys. Ito yung binili ko sa eBay. Cute. Top to top from Zara. Oh, cute. Tingnan nyo ang kanyang print. Purple. Tapos ito siya ay paano sa likuran. Look, cute nito. Big?
One.
Wow, such a princess.
But can I put this on?
Sobrang cute, guys.
But
Oh,
can I put this on?
you know how to put it on.
No, I don't. Can I flip it the other way? Because I don't want it all white. That would be crazy.
You have to take your clothes off first, yeah?
Uh,
Yeah, and then you can put this on.
how do
Dirty.
I think I get there?
You do it there. Do it the bedroom, isalin ko. Ganda nito. Kap-tap to siya. Tapos, ganyan. Wow, bongga naman ito eh. Nice. Oh. So that's the first one. Hanger natin to. And And then, which one? Next. It's a dress. Oscar Street, yung kanyang brand. Ang ganda ng kanyang print. Kita. Ayan. Basta mini dress siya. Cool. Ito, i-recycle ko ito. Gamitin ko ito. Pag ako naman yung may nabenta, ito naman yung gagamitin ko. Sayang. And then just another one. The last one. Cute. Iba-iba talaga klase ng seller guys, no? Kasi ito, ingat na ingat yung pagka-fold, may ganyan pa, tapos super cute, may thank you. Ito siya, ginanan lang, oh. Ganyan. Kasi, may naman eh. Damit naman. This is also crop top. Pink naman yung kulay niya. Girl na girl. Oh, super nice. Bumili ako ng mga crop top kasi, diba, uwi tayo ng Pinas. So, summer look tayo doon. Size 6. Lovely. So, yan lang. Nothing else. Sobrang cute na mga kulay, oh. Pastel.
It does. It's nice, isn't it? Rose water.
Beautiful. Is that how you do it, Paris? Will you show me?
It's that. That's how you do it.
Uy!
Yeah.
Alas 5 na ng hapon, guys. Kakauwi lang ng ating Ate Paris. Napunta sila ng... Ay! Mama!
Yeah.
Dada!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Bob! Say Bob! Say peekaboo! Boo! 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 Ate! Ate! Dada. Pakusiak, be. What are you watching?
Playing game.
What game is it, be? Show me.
But
Wala, pataka lang. Tingnan niyo, guys, oh. Ang dami ng dinownload na laro sa kanyang iPad.
what's the
I don't know the password.
just do it?
I just don't know. Wait. Wait. What are you doing? You're a silly girl? You're a silly girl? You're a silly girl? Huh? Yay! No. Anjing. Kalamig gitu katawa ba basta wala gibati eh. Uy. Hoy. Ayun na iso pasok mo ang mga mataan niya eh. Hoy, don't put it all in your mouth. Ah, okay. Don't put the whole thing in your mouth. Rana.
Like in the sense, I don't mean, the Mexican kids are similar in the sense of.
Ayan. 7 o'clock guys. Kakarating lang ni Daddy
The
Mike
Mexican
from
kid is
Marco.
similar in the sense that he's a jiu-jitsu specialist,
Ling, ling.
which is like Patty.
Perfect timing. Ngayon lang talaga kami bumaba. Ala, Christmas na pala
Patty's
sa
really got
kanila.
one avenue,
Nak, they have Christmas lights na. Oh,
and that's to get money.
Christmas light.
I know, I've seen them.
Did you? Hi. No, where are you going? Hala, ang bata nga. Manyahon. Ayaw lang. Kasi may hurt her lang. Tyrus!
Daddy!
Hala, gustong lumayas na. Where do you wanna go, Ling? Hmm?
Follow.
She's off.
Follow.
Hala, uy! Where do you think you're going? Ha? Hala, paspas ka siya, guys.
I think he wants to go to work. That's fun.
Do you wanna do some groceries?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think she wants to have a little walk, I think she wants to have a little walk. Guys, they're right. Hey, do I go for a little walk?
Walkie? Ah.
Okay, so we'll
Ayan
go.
na. Babagot siya sa loob
11
ng bahay,
minutes
guys. Just
nicely
mag-walking.
and we'll come back.
Oh, car, friends.
11 minutes.